In this video, we will look at how to export a Revit project to the CL3VER viewer. If you look in the project browser, you can see how this file is structured. There are floor plans for each floor and the site itself. There are custom 3D views, both exterior and interior, elevation views, section views, and a linked model for mechanical, electrical and plumbing data. This structure will be replicated inside the CL3VER viewer. If you go to the Properties palette, you can see that the content in the file is divided up by discipline, enabling you to view the architectural, structural, mechanical, electrical or plumbing data separately. The Coordination option shows all of the content types together. This will also be replicated in the CL3VER viewer. If you go to the Collaborate tab and click Worksets, you can see how the content is divided between worksets. Again, this will be replicated inside CL3VER itself. If you deselect a workset in Revit, it will not be available in CL3VER. Before exporting a project from Revit, you should be in a standard isometric view, not a custom perspective view. You can also export from a floor plan or section view. You can switch to the default 3D view by selecting the View tab, then 3D View, then Default 3D View. Now select the CL3VER tab. You will see that there are options to export a single 3D view or all views. But for now we want to export the entire project, so click Complete. The first time that you do this, CL3VER will prompt you to log into your account. Click Log In to launch a browser window. Once you are logged into your account, click Authorize. The Export dialog will pop up. This lets you choose what content to export to the CL3VER viewer. The Views tab lets you deselect or select the 3D views, floor plans, sections and elevations that are set up in the Revit project. 3D views with section cuts can take a long time to process, so there is a checkbox to deselect them automatically. The Assets tab lets you select which disciplines and worksets to export and whether to export the linked files. The Quality tab has options to export high-resolution textures and for precise 2D views cropping. This automatically resizes 2D views to fill the workspace in the viewer. Both options increase processing time, so you may want to leave them unchecked. When you're ready, click Continue. The project should now begin to export to the CL3VER viewer. The process can take a couple of minutes, so we've sped it up. When the export is complete, you should see a rendered 3D preview of your presentation.